seat. Thank you. So anyway, my name is Madam Onville, and I'm the HOD in charge of disciplinary. And there was a case that was brought in last week on Friday that you used a gadget in an exam room and you're not supposed to, which was brought by our Madam Anne in charge of economics. So I'm here with the panel. We're here to issue a disciplinary activity. And I'll start with my fellow colleagues to introduce themselves so that we can carry on.
Yes, my name is Mr. Kundere Bura. You're my student, right?
Yes.
Right.
I'm Madam Susan. I'm Madam Anne.
I am Mr. Daniel Dimba.
I'm Miss Elizabeth.
I'm Madam Judy.
So, Madam Anne, maybe you can tell us what happened during the exam so that we can know the context.
I was invigilating an economic exam, and we were 1 hour in. That is when I spotted Wendy with this gadget. It was on her laps. She was trying to hide it, but I took it and I explained to her. I reminded her the school rules on exams cheating, and that is why we're here. I think I would like us for her to be an example to all who practice cheating. Yes.
So when you do realize this is a very serious allegation against you, and there is an evidence, as you can see, I believe right now you don't have your phone. Yeah. So you know you could be penalized for 2 years. That is almost 1,000 days. But before I give my judgment, maybe my panel mates, if there's anyone with a question, they can ask Wendy.
Wendy, are you a student in
Yes.
school?
Yes.
Are you aware about the examination rules?
Yes.
And are you also aware about the offense that you were involved
I am aware.
in? You know about the punishment that goes along with particular engagements that you did?
Yes, I understand.
You understand? So, we may also give you a chance to tell us how it happened and what led you to do that.
During the economics exam, the paper was quite difficult. Some of the things in that paper we had never been taught, and some I had not come across when I was researching. And I decided to check to confirm the answers. I do understand the school rules and the cause of punishment, but I would like to seek forgiveness. And I apologize for breaking the school rules. If you could pardon me, I would really appreciate.
It's quite amusing. It's actually ridiculous when you say that you've not been taught. When you're my student, right?
Yes.
That economics class. And you know we've been having issues with it, right? You've been coming late to the class, right? And when I look at the attendance list here, kindly look at it. Look at the attendance sheets. You've only signed about twice.
So,
And we're here saying we have not been teaching. Could you enlighten as to why you
I
chose to
did
go to that part of teaching?
not really.
Yes.
Some of the questions there were not in the sequence.
They were not?
I have not come across them.
I also teach the same unit, and in the beginning of every term,
Yes.
we always give out a course outline.
Yes.
What was not there in the was it not in the course outline? Whatever came in the exams,
Some of the questions,
but you're supposed to read widely. You should not expect the teacher to teach everything.
When the leaders are not reason as to why we should forgive him,
I have like to develop so that I can research more on economics, and I live very far and I will try to live closer so that I can get to the classes earlier.
So when you say pardonment, you're talking about pardoning, not pardonment. You mean that you want to you want to start the semester fresh?
If possible, I can. If you never can.
So why did you choose for help or seek more time before you decided to cheat?
I've been really struggling with getting to school early and studying. I don't really get to seek help.
What kind of help do you want us to help you?
I would like to be given time to move closer to school, and I can start the semester fresh next term.
Any punishment that you want this board to give unto you?
I will be okay with any form of punishment as long as I can get to continue with my education.
So when you've heard from the panelists, this is not a joke.
Yeah.
So as we decide on the judgment, which we will meet again next week with my fellow board members to give you, in the meantime, we have to go to the Department of Community Development, and you help the workers in sweeping the compound. And every day you have to give me a report until we give you now the judgment on your case. So this means that there is hope for you, but there is consequences.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.